just can't get the hang of it, but I'm trying. I'm not going to give up. My pan is heating up. I'm going to put a little bit of oil in there. Cover the bottom. Okay. Heat up nice. Get that cooking there. And I'm going to try chicken today. Alright? I'm going to try chicken. We'll see. Okay. Make sure everything's coated with oil. I'm giving it one turn. Okay. Now I'm going to work it. Pieces I'm going to turn. Okay. Looks like it's going to be okay. So far so good. So far so good. Now we're going to add the peppers and onions. Okay. And I'm going to put a little sesame oil on top of it. I'm not using it for cooking, I'm using it for flavor. Okay. Now we're brought up to cook our chicken really, really thorough. Okay, I'm going to add a little garlic salt. Rock salt. I call it rock salt. I'm just going to cover it for just a little bit. And no, I don't want to use that one. It's this one. This is the one. Sorry about that. And we're going to add our soy in a little bit. Low salt, low sodium. We're going to give that a jiggle. And we're going to let that simmer for just a tiny bit. I know stir fry is quick and simple, but I like to make sure my chicken's really cooked. Okay? And always add Hussein sauce. Always. Gotta have this. This is a mandatory item. It is going to thicken up a little bit. Set in just a minute. I'll be right back. Okay, here we are. I had to get the plate, so I had to shut the camera off. And this is already cooked. I'm just letting it sit in the sauce a little bit to mix it up. Okay. Love that juice. Oh. Now this we can serve on a bed of rice. Or plain. Finally, I succeeded. Okay. This makes more sense, I think. And I'm going to give a shout out to my good friend Bill, because he corrected me on what I was doing wrong with my stir fries. And my meats were too thick, and my heat was not high enough. Okay? So that's one of those important deals that I forgot to do, and I had trouble absorbing that mentally. I don't know why. Sometimes we can't do these things. But here's my stir fry. Chicken stir fry with peppers, onions, and I'm going to put that on a bed of rice, or put rice on the side. Thanks for watching the video, and I feel like I accomplished something very nice today. Chicken came out good. Mike's rendition of chicken stir fry with onion, peppers. It took all of 5 to 7 minutes to do. It took about 2 minutes to prep.